Climate change refers to significant and lasting alterations in Earth's climate patterns, primarily driven by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. The resulting increase in greenhouse gas emissions, notably carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, traps heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming and various environmental impacts. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, reports that Earth's average surface temperature has risen by approximately 1.2 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era. This warming trend has resulted in melting ice caps, rising sea levels, altered precipitation patterns, more frequent and severe weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems and biodiversity. One of the primary contributors to climate change is the combustion of fossil fuels for energy production, transportation, and industrial processes. This releases CO2 and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, intensifying the greenhouse effect. Deforestation further exacerbates the issue by reducing the planet's capacity to absorb CO2 through photosynthesis. The consequences of climate change are wide-ranging and multifaceted. Rising temperatures have led to more frequent heat waves and extreme weather events, including hurricanes, droughts, and floods, with devastating impacts on communities, economies, and infrastructure worldwide. Coastal regions are particularly vulnerable to sea level rise, posing risks to millions of people living in low-lying areas. Climate change also threatens global food security by disrupting agricultural productivity and altering growing conditions for crops. Changes in precipitation patterns and increased frequency of extreme weather events can lead to crop failures, food shortages, and price volatility, exacerbating hunger and malnutrition, especially in developing countries. Moreover, climate change exacerbates existing social, economic, and environmental inequalities, disproportionately affecting vulnerable populations, including the poor, elderly, children, and marginalized communities. These groups often lack the resources and infrastructure needed to adapt to or mitigate the impacts of climate change, further exacerbating disparities and injustices. Addressing climate change requires global cooperation and concerted action at the local, national, and international levels. The Paris Agreement, adopted in 2015 by nearly every country in the world, aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees C above pre-industrial levels, and pursue efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Signatories commit to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, enhancing resilience to climate impacts, and providing support to vulnerable countries.